And you kiss your mother with that mouth? I ain't touching that. What? And ruin all this frustration? What are you, some kind of troll or something?
Not to mention a duck.
Huh?
What? Who?
Huh?
Ed.
Why?
Holy mackerel! Say the magic words! Bubbly, bubbly, boo!
Hey, Rolf! Incoming! Losers!
Rolf is not amused, you... How do you say? Ducks?
Dorks!
Yes, that is what I said.
No, you s-
Ow! You crazy? Everybody now! Hello, Ed boys. Many doors, yes? Too much for couch potato Ed boys like yourself. Iha! Iha!
And you kiss your mother with that mouth?
Not to mention a duck.
Huh?
What? Who?
Huh?
Ed.
Why?
Everybody now!